Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Objects R and S each travel at a constant speed. The speed of object R is half the speed of object S. Object R travels a distance of 4x inches in y seconds. Which expression represents the time in seconds it takes object S to travel a distance of 24x inches? Okay, here we have an information about the speed of the object R and the speed of the object S. That is, the speed of object R is half of the speed of object S. And also object R travels a distance of 4x inches in y seconds. So using this information, we'll be able to find the speed of R. Once we get the speed of the object R, we'll be able to get the speed of object S using the first information over here. So once we get the speed of the object S, we'll be able to find the time taken by the object S to travel a distance of 24x inches. Okay, now let's find the speed of object R using the information we have over here. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. Object R, let me write it over here. So it is given that object R travels 4x inches in y seconds. Already we know the formula to find the speed of a particular object, that is distance over time. So speed of R equals to distance over time. So here the distance is 4x inches and the speed is y seconds. So this is the speed of R. Now using the speed of R, we have to find the speed of object. Okay, before I proceed with the next step, let's quickly look at an example. Let me consider the speed of the object as just one example. I'm saying 100 miles per hour. Then what is the speed of R? So the information says the speed of the object R is half the speed of object S. Since the speed of the object S is assumed as 100 miles per hour, then the speed of object R has to be 50 miles per hour. So that is half of the speed of the object S according to the information we have over here. Okay, now let's think about this example in a reverse way. That is, I know the speed of object R. So from the speed of object R, if I want to get the speed of object S, what should I do? I have to multiply the speed of R by 2 so that I'll be getting the speed of the object S. So from this we can understand, if the speed of the object R is half of the speed of S, then the speed of the object S is 2 times the speed of the object R. Here we know the speed of the object R, that is 4x divided by y. So from the speed of the object R, 4x over y, if I want to get the speed of the object S, what should I do? I have to take 2 times the speed of the object R. Let me write it over here. So speed of the object S is equal to 2 times the speed of object R, that is 4x over y. So when I multiply this 2 and 4x, I'm getting 8x over y. Okay, now I got the speed of object S. Okay, our aim is to find the time taken by the object S to travel a distance of 24x inches. Okay, so the formula to find the time is equal to distance by speed. So already we know the distance traveled by the object S, that is 24x inches. We can plug in 24x for the distance d over here. And we have to divide by the speed of the object S. Just now we got the speed of the object S, that is 8x over y. We can write 8x over y in denominator for speed. Okay, now we have to simplify this expression. Now let me write the denominator 24x as it is. I change the this division as multiplication. When I change the division as multiplication, I have to get reciprocal for this fraction. Then I am getting y over 8x. X will cancel out. 8 goes into 8 one time. So 8 goes into 24 3 times. So 3 times y is 3y. In denominator we have 1, it can be ignored. So that is 3y seconds, because the time in the given information we have in seconds. So the time we got for object S to travel 24x inches is 3y seconds. We find 3y in answer choice B. So the correct answer choice for this question is B.